Hey y'all, Dr. Maggie here. Just wanted to do a quick little demo about glued in or fixed retainers and how to best clean them. So you can see here, this model has a version of what we use. We call it a lower 3-to-3. It goes behind the front 6 teeth on the lower arch. We only glue our retainers on the canines. So there's only glue on the third tooth from the middle on each side. So flossing around this is a little bit challenging, and you'll need floss, a floss threader, and a good bit of patience. So let's kind of review how to do this. This is what a floss threader looks like. A little hard to see, it's really thin. And then I've got a piece of floss. And so you're gonna start by threading the floss through the hole. And now you've got it connected like such, okay? Find the easiest place, and at this point you typically will not have braces on, but this model has braces. So you'll fit the floss threader between the teeth, carry through, and now we've got the floss between our teeth, okay? Typically it's a little bit easier if you just have kind of that singular piece of floss. And so now we can floss between the teeth. With our type of retainer, you're gonna be able to get around and floss each of the teeth without having to do any more threading. If your glued in retainer is glued to each tooth, you're gonna have to do the threading between each contact individually. But with ours, since the glue is only on the canines, once you get it behind here, now the floss will very passively slide around and you'll be able to floss each of the contacts individually. We do this just for ease of cleaning. We feel like it's super beneficial to have this style of bonded retainer for hygiene purposes. But always remember that even if you have a glued in retainer, we recommend that you wear a clear retainer over it at night for the rest of your life. These glued in retainers are great until they aren't. We can't depend on them fully. Hope this was helpful.